besoin de faire mettre la laine. Yo coupe ou pas quand coupe des branches là-dedans. Mais tu me qu'à ton tête. Pourquoi ça va couper pied là? Mon quoi t'a passé? Mon piche pe. Blape. Ya, ouais.
Ça bien courage ici.
Qui garde ça dans le soleil chose à
ça l'a fait à bon signe là quand même.
Cham. Qui garde ça dans le soleil chose ça pour la travail. Mais
on doit bon signe là.
Devant pas solide la pour monter.
Mes amis, depuis tout à l'heure, Amel ça travaille pour que je finisse travail. Mais de tout côté, elle commence à fouiller. Mais my mom asked me, does that have a meaning? I should be asking her though. The sun is so hot and that bird, I don't know the name of it.
Les amis, gale on police mettre la gale.
I really don't know what's going on with that bird. I really don't know what's going on, guys. I don't know. That bird is making a road or something. I don't know what's going on. My mom called me to come look at this, and I'm showing it to you guys. I don't know, Shishi. I don't know what's going on. I was doing my hair, then my mom called me to come look at this. So I saw it, then I went inside and took my phone. Girl, I'm live. I really don't know what's going on. What is the name of that bird, Shishi? Digging a hole, making a road, or I don't know. Look at all this. Look at all this. Yeah, see all this? Look. Don't jump on me, please. You must be tired, huh? I don't know why you're punishing yourself like that. That's some punishment. What you done? What you done did, little bird? That's a. Oh. Okay, Shishi, thank you. Okay. Okay, girl. But do you know what she's doing? Or he? Whatever it is. A she or a he, whatever. Hi, Michelle. How you doing? Okay, Shishi, what's wrong with that bird? Seriously. You tired? Don't come close to me. Stay where you at. Share this, guys. Maybe somebody know the definition of what that bird is doing. It's too hot for that bird to be doing that. Oh my God. Mes amis, hi Amanda. Hey. Pas comme ça, bête ça fait là, mes amis. I just wanna know what's going on. Gade côté le fouiller, gade tout côté le fouiller. Yes, Shishi, that bird is crazy. I don't know what's going on. Don't come close to me, please, bird. This must have a meaning, guys. This is impossible. And we're right there close to it. Close, very close. Go on, kitty. But like I give you Islam. Shishi, that's crazy. Maybe. Oh my gosh, Shishi, that's crazy. The bird have coronavirus. Wow. Ça a un meaning là-dedans, mes amis. Oh, pour un bête bas soleil chaud, ça pour la fouiller tout comme ça. Et puis tout le énergie pour le fouiller tout. Hein? Impossible. Regardez quand elle commence. Mais quand elle commence, oui, mais nous close, nous près. Regardez. C'est la fouille tout. Mais I need to go finish my hair. C'est Jenny, comment y est? En forme? I guess she's tired. He or she. Tired. I don't know what that was for, but I guess she's done now. She's done, guys. C'est fini. Mais tout le temps fouillé. I'm trying to see, get closer. I hope that bird don't come back down. Look at it, look at it. Is that right? You see this, guys? Y'all see this? That's what the bird was doing. Love you too, Shishi. Bye.
Oui.
The bird was not eating, guys. Konnen.
Il faut garder.
Alright, bye guys. I don't know what the bird was doing. So maybe somebody know what that mean. It must have a meaning. Bagay sa gon on meaning, mes amis, le gon meaning. Ça représente un bagay. On peut pas dire mon baston les choses ça pour lui tout fouiller tout ça yo. Impossible. Impossible. Tout ça yo, ti cheve m'a fait, oui maman moi le ben garder. Hein? This is crazy. Alright, you guys, bye. Share it. Maybe somebody know the definition of that. Is this the same one? Ooh. Uh-oh. Let me get back inside.